Tanoshi was created to provide a brighter future for all kids. My mother and sister are school teachers and have often told me about how kids struggle to keep up with their classmates simply because they don't have access to a computer at home. We want every child to have access to a great computer with the best age-appropriate and educational content.
The gap in education can start as early as 3 years old and persist for a lifetime. We want to provide an environment that allows every single child to learn those critical computer skills, have their fun games and apps, and allow them to be great students and beyond. We truly believe we have something special here that's going to help every single student and change the industry.
Tanoshi fills this huge void within the consumer market. There are the tablets for toddlers with the large, colorful bumpers with limited content, and then there's computers for adults. However, the internet is pretty much a free-for-all, and elementary school-age kids really need some supervision that's not too obtrusive, where they still have fun learning. Tanoshi 2-in-1, literally with its click-and-go parental controls, is a win-win for both the parent and the child.